We've started a full service lease program at least a decade ago, and what that does is we supply you the most energy efficient, best equipment for your property, sized properly, but most importantly, we also are there the entire time you own it, meaning we do all the parts, we do all the service, we do the maintenance on it, we keep it running efficiently for you, and so you can remember or know that in a one monthly payment, all your service is taken care of, and if there's a breakdown, we'll be out there and get it fixed and get you up and operational. And at the end of the lease, you have the option of just renewing. We'll pull that equipment out, we'll put brand new equipment back in, so it keeps you the most modern equipment, most energy efficient equipment, but most importantly, it keeps it so it minimizes your breakdowns and keeps your laundries functioning efficiently and profitably. Versus a traditional a traditional financing program where you have principal and interest and you can only deduct the interest portion of your of that payment. On a full service lease, the entire payment is tax deductible. So you do get a tax advantage with that, and then certainly you get the security knowing that the equipment is going to be well maintained. There's different options out there, and we offer, certainly a purchase, we offer leasing and full service leasing, and we offer financing. But we're seeing more and more people take advantage of the full service lease just because, again, low monthly payment, the equipment is maintained, and there's no surprise bills in the middle of just say 3 years into it, something major happens and it goes out. So it's a nice insurance policy. Right, yes, you don't get the equipment depreciation, but you do get the monthly payment depreciation through the year. So you get that over the life of the lease. So that's something that you need to work with your tax advisor on. But the real advantage again is if you have some type of unforeseen breakdown, let's say something leaks on the motor gets shot, and then all of a sudden you've got a $3,000 or $4,000 or $5,000 repair bill that you weren't counting on. Well, we assume that risk, and we would replace that motor under that full service lease program.